Our spy photographers have caught the next-generation Porsche 911 Turbo testing for the first time wearing its production body. Expected to debut sometime this year, the next generation of Porsche iconic sports car will feature an evolutionary exterior design and feature some new elements that should help differentiate it from the car it replaces. The biggest giveaways at this particular prototype is the 911 Turbo are the square-shaped quad exhaust tips and the wide rear fenders. Additionally, there are fixed rear wing in the back and air intakes in the rear fenders, further hinting that this particular 911 is your standard Carrera model. Some new design cues like the double LED daytime running light strip up front and a slightly revised front fascia further indicate that this is the next generation model. Powering the next generation 911 Turbo will likely be a twin turbocharged flat 6, possibly displacing 3.8 liters like the current model. Power output is unknown yet, but 600 horsepower is out of the realm of possibility considering the current generation 911 Turbo S already pumps out 580 horsepower and the bonkers 911 GT2 RS makes well over 600 horsepower with the same 3.8-liter unit found in the 911 Turbo and Turbo S models. Porsche 8-speed PDK dual-clutch automatic transmission could also find its way into the 911 Turbo for the next generation. As with past 911 Turbo models, all-wheel drive will likely come standard and should help give it explosive off-the-line acceleration. Earlier this year, we also spied the next generation 911 Cabriolet with the top down and a rear end that more bulbous, hinting at possible upgrades to the car powertrain.